आज मेरे साथ जो शख्सियत मौजूद हैं, वो शख्सियत जो बात करेंगी, जिस शख्स के बारे में हम उनसे बात करेंगे, वो मोहसिन पाकिस्तान डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर खान हैं, जिसकी वजह से आज पाकिस्तान आज़ाद, पाकिस्तान के अवाम आज़ाद फिजाओं में सांस ले रहे हैं। हम और आप अपने घरों में पुरसकून जिंदगी गुजार सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि हमारी अफवाज पाकिस्तान वो भी हमारी हिफाजत पर मामूर है। और जो टेक्नोलॉजी जिस टीम के सिपा सलार डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर खान थे, उन्होंने जो हमें टेक्नोलॉजी दी है, उनकी साहबजादी हैं डॉक्टर दीना खान। उनसे बात करेंगे, उनसे पूछेंगे डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर खान की याद को आज वो कैसे ताज़ा करती हैं। Thank you very much, Dr. Dina, first of all, to talk with you on this precious day of 28 May, Yom Takbir, Pakistan. What are you feeling right now, and what message you are going to give to Pakistani nation on this Yom Takbir day?
Well, thank you for speaking with me today. I am here currently at the IEP, the Engineers Institute of Pakistan, and I was very happy to be invited here today for Yom Takbir, because it is wonderful to remember my father and celebrate that achievement here with the engineers, when we know that it was a team effort and so many engineers were involved in this work. For us, it is a day of pride. For my family, it is a great day of pride at what was achieved. Also sadness, because we see that although the people love him and the people remember him, unfortunately he is not being recognized as he should. And I find that especially this year, after the events that happened this month with India, and we know that even though it was decisive leadership and really strong actions from the army, but let's not forget that they had the backing of a nuclear deterrent, and that nuclear deterrent was created by my father and by the team at KRL, and they are not acknowledging that, I feel, in a way that they should be. He wanted to work on energy. He wanted to work on, he had plans for education. He had offered up plans for how to deal with flooding. There were so many aspects which he could have helped this country, and he wasn't allowed to, and he was very sad and I think somewhat bitter about that. As far as going forward, I mean, my father's dream was to see Pakistan prosper. He wanted Pakistan to be, an incredible nation, to reach its highest potential, and we continue that dream. As a family, we have started the AQ Khan Foundation, and that is our legacy to continue. We focus on the projects that were important to him: education, health, development, IT, technology, and inshallah, we will carry forward that dream of his, and we will continue to work to make Pakistan great. Well, my father was really a very simple man. At home, life was very simple. He liked to drink tea. He liked to cook sometimes. He loves animals, loved to play with our cats. We have a lot of cats in the house. As
you know, the Pakistani known as the foodie people in the world. So what is the favorite dish Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan most like to eat and most like to cook for himself or his family?
Like I said, he had very simple tastes. He liked dal. He used to cook good dal. He used to make parathas for us, and he loved halwa. He loved suji ka halwa. He loved all kinds of halwa, and in the winter he loved paya. We used to eat a lot of paya.
This is a typical Lahori food, paya.
Yeah, he loved it, and we used to eat it at home a lot.
Thank you very much, Dr. Dina, for talking with us. डॉक्टर दीना ने डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर खान की ज़िंदगी के बारे में वो बातें बताई जो शायद पहले कभी आपने सुनी नहीं होगी, और उनका जो पाकिस्तान के लिए जज्बा था, पाकिस्तान के लिए खिदमत का जो जज्बा था, वो बातें भी आपने सुनी। और उनकी ज़िंदगी के जो नरम लम्हात थे, नरम गोशे थे उनकी ज़िंदगी के अंदर, वो ख्वाबे बड़े अच्छे पसंद थे उनको। और उनकी फेवरेट खुराक, जो लाहौरियों की भी अक्सर फेवरेट खुराक होती है, पाए, वो भी उनको बड़े पसंद थे। तो अल्लाह ताला डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर खान के दर्जात बुलंद करें, और इस तरह के हमारे जो बाकी साइंसदान इस वक्त दुनिया में और मुल्क में पाकिस्तान के लिए जो सर्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, पाकिस्तान को उसका दिफा नाकाबिल तस्खीर बनाने के लिए जदोजहद कर रहे हैं, हम सबको मिलकर उनका साथ देना है। हमारी हुकूमत को, हमारी रियासत को, हमारी आवाम को उनका साथ देना है, ताकि पाकिस्तान इसी तरह आज़ाद मुल्क रहे और हम आज़ाद फिजाओं में सांस ले सकें। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।